When you look at the public sentiment on this situation, would you say that more of the population believes that Mr. Sterling was wronged than believe that he was wrong?
Well, I haven't taken a poll or a census on this, but I can tell you that I am overwhelmed, and I'm astounded that I'm overwhelmed with people from nowhere who communicate with me exactly what you said. Regardless of what he did or said, what the league is doing to him is not right. That there is an interest higher than the National Basketball Association, and that is the right to be able to speak in your living room without fear that you're being illegally recorded and that recording will be used against you in some invidious way.
What are the legal ramifications? What will the legal ramifications be if the NBA wins? Because obviously the commissioner believes that he has the power to make this decision. So let's just say hypothetically they win. What would the impact on sports be?
If they win, people ought to think about moving to some country that has a sincere interest in protecting your privacy, because it would be awful, just awful, for this conversation to ruin his life and for the judicial system in the United States to support what the league has done, using illegal recording against him to take his property away from him and strip him of his dignity.
We invited NBA Executive Vice President and General Counsel Rick Buchanan to participate in the interview, but he declined. He did, however, provide a statement. There is no basis for Mr. Bleeker's contention that the NBA is acting illegally by responding to Mr. Sterling's offensive statements and directions that were tape recorded and publicly distributed by the media all over the world, and that caused such incredible damage to the NBA and all of its teams. Among other things, the conversation at issue wasn't private, and the constitutional arguments he makes have no application in the NBA, which is a private membership association. Mr. Bleeker's efforts to cast Mr. Sterling as the victim in this matter are as transparent as they are wrong.